Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing the pistol and shotgun only challenge. Now the pistol is often referred to as the worst weapon in Fortnite, and kinda wanna change that. And also the shotgun is referred to as the best weapon in Fortnite. So I just wanna make a combo and then try both of them out at the same time, see which one is actually the better one. I mean, it might just be the shotgun or the pistol, I don't know. So we'll be landing this building right here. Maybe, yeah, let's just land on here. This building. And we get a 6-shooter. Okay. We can use this, but I don't really like this pistol. Like, it's not that very good. Is there any more weapons? Oh, and we have a shotgun right here. This is great. This is great, real great. And we have another one. This is even better. Probably better than I expected. Okay. Are there any people? Oh, you're shooting at me. Get this guy. Oh, and this guy has a golden shotgun. Damn. Oh, I wish I had that golden shotgun. And we have another 6-shooter. That, this guy goes down. Okay, what else? What do we have? Nope. Not shotgun. Oh, and looky over here. We have another shield potion. Great. So let's pick up the shotgun again. Let's fly. Oh, and we have semi-automatic. Ow! That hurt. That hurt. Oh, I just got jump scared. What was that? We have another semi. Let's just check out this truck over here. Now later on, I'm going to be doing the truck and car chest only challenge, where I'm going to use loot from only cars and trucks. So make sure to watch that one as well. Nope, nothing this one. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. I took so much damage. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna drop the double barrel shotgun for this. Even though it's a gold, I mean, like, I don't find it really